Here's the barrel roof, and we had a piece of curved plywood running along, covering up this mortar joint, and it was starting to rot. It was plywood, so we took it down, and as a temporary measure, I put literally a piece of landscape edging in and bolted it with the galvanized bolts to the 3-4 layer of roofing shingle, and it's worked out pretty good. It's black, so it blends in well with everything, and so far so good. And then I put the Henry's roofing tar on the top, on the bolt heads. The bolts are galvanized, so they shouldn't rust that easily anyway, but just in case, we have them sealed